Hello, brilliant minds. Welcome to Erfan.ai channel. Today, we'll dive into something that sounds like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie. A nice app that recommends you a movie based on the scene you describe. Yes, you heard me right. Ever found yourself thinking of a movie scene so vividly, but couldn't remember which movie it was from? Or maybe you are in the mood for movies that have a specific vibe or some specific scene you're looking for. What if I tell you, every of these things can be done with AI? In this episode, we talk about an LLM app empowered by LangChain as an orchestration tool and also using OpenAI 3.5 Turbo for structured output. Also, we want to have our output in a Pydantic form as well as an object. So we should use output parser as well. That's it. Let's do the job. So let's jump into the code. As you can see, for the first step, we need to install the related libraries. Then we need to import all the libraries. So here we want to use OpenAI as our main LLM. And as you know, the default version of OpenAI is 3.5 Turbo. So we don't need to change the default version as well. But you can also use GPT-4 as well for this use case. But GPT 3.5 would be enough for this use case. So as we discussed, we wanted to have our output in a Pydantic object as well. So here we will define a Pydantic object to let our LLM knows about the way that we wanted to get response from. So this is the object that we are designing. So we have a genre as basically one of the variable of the of our Pydantic class, and also we have a field name as well. So in this field we have a description. So this is the important part for LangChain and also for our LLM to understand what is the definition of this field for us, right? So it's better to create this description text as understandable as possible. At the same time, we should basically use the minimum size of this description as well. So here we have two fields of a class. We have a genre and also we have a field name, which also by description we are letting the LLM knows about the way that we wanted to get this response. And after that we use Pydantic output parser, which is a class of LangChain, to use this class as a instruction schema for our LLM as well. So next step is defining the prompt template. So first of all, I'm designing let's say somehow a system prompt to get a characteristic to my LLM, and then I define the instructions based on our output Pydantic output object, and then I need to use a scene as an input for my chain. Then it's a chain flow, let's say, definition. So this is the LCEL or LangChain expression language that we are using here. So assume this pipe, it's like the pipe that we had in Linux, and also we have in Linux as well. So assume this pipe is like the result of sign. So we are using an input, let's say scene input, and we pass that input to prompt. The output of prompt goes to model, and the output of the model goes to parser. So you can see this chain in this way, and this is one of the I can say one of the cleanest way to develop chains by LangChain. Let's start the app. So let me also run this. Done, no error. So I wanted to let's say see different results based on the different scenes. So let's see the results. Okay, floating ship middle of the ocean. So genre adventure, nice, and Pirates of the Caribbean. So this is right. This is really right. A superhero calling the tower, Spider-Man, for sure. And one of my favorite movies, Travel in the Time. So Back to the Future. Done. Nice, nice. And let's also check the output object. What is the output object? So as you can see, the output object is film recommendation object, which we built here, right? And you can use this, object for next steps as well. Think about this flow as a part of your software. So you can easily, let's say, integrate this feature to other softwares as well. And then you can have some AI-enabled application as well. So in this tutorial, I try to show you how you can build some complex thing with a couple of easy steps with LLMs. Thanks for watching this episode. Please don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe the channel and share this video to your friend. If you have any question about LangChain, or if you have any good idea for next episode, please feel free to ask in the comment section. Have a good one.